Your business needs video. So let's start with the simplest form of introducing yourself to the world in the form of a video business card. A video business card is basically a short explanation of who you are, what you do, what you can be for your clients and how you do that. How can you use a video business card? You can put it everywhere. In fact, it's working for you all the time. You can put it on your social media profiles. You can put it on your website. You can put it in your email even. As long as it's a short message, about half a minute to a minute long, to see your face would be very good because then it's very easy to connect. So let's start making a video business card. Now let's have a look what a video card could look like. And I start with the person that I found it with, Jules Blundell of Video Buzz. Let's have a look how she does it.
Hi, I'm Jules Blundell from Video Buzz, and I take your key business messages and turn them into fun and engaging videos. It's known that 20% of the visitors to your website will read the text, whereas a whopping 80% will actually stop and watch your video. That's why I love video. It's so incredibly powerful. The reason why people choose to work with Video Buzz is because we are marketing strategists as well as video creators. We create powerful messages that convert into visually stunning videos. Every business today needs video. So please give us a call, we'll have a chat, and we can work out what's the best strategy for you and your business.
Let's have a look at some other video cards made by Video Buzz.
Hi, I'm Robert Starr, founder of Farm Active. I help pharmacy owners build smarter, more successful 21st century businesses. I do this by helping them integrate the best technologies to build operational efficiency that lead to increased profits.
So you see the structure of how this could be. First he says, Hi,
I'm Robert Starr, founder of Farm Active. I help pharmacy owners.
Then he goes over to I help, and then he says who he helps? Pharmacy owners.
Build smarter, more successful 21st century businesses.
And what does he do? He helps pharmacists build more modern businesses.
I do this by helping them integrate the best technologies to build operational efficiency that lead to increased profits.
And then he tells how he does that. So this would be a very good introduction in your video business card. Let's have a look at somebody else.
Hi, I'm Tony Planansek. I help my clients successfully buy and manage investment properties. You want to be a property investor? Maybe you're out of your comfort zone because you don't know who to trust for the right advice. I know I can help. I believe in helping so much, I've even written a book about it. My company currently manages over $500 million worth of investment properties over 90 Melbourne suburbs.
So first of all, she says the problems, you don't know who to trust. And I have studied this, and now she's giving proof how much she has helped people.
You too can be a successful property investor. Call me today so we can have a chat about getting you started, or perhaps how we can do better with a property you already own.
So she said, maybe you have this problem or that problem, I can help.
My name, Tony Planansek. Call me on 03 9663 6435.
So now you have sort of idea what a video business card could look like.